Benson is green. Okay. Sorry, thank you. What was he? I know. Are you calling the next people? Hector and Jonathan. Hector! Jonathan!
Move, Gavin, move! What did go off the whistle?
Was it 15?
12.
It says it's not letting me do a tech fall. It says you need to have 15 or more.
We're going with 12.
I know, but I'm just telling you. When I try to save, it says they must win by 15. I'm just gonna put fall. I'm just letting you know.
And you try to hit it official and tell him to tell the other guys it's
15?
just call him the head official. You could call him over here.
You want me to call head official?
I want to be consistent.
No, they're not skipping. So far, no. What happened? Wait.